Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we're talking about your Slack account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you turn a private Slack channel into a public Slack channel? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to change a private Slack channel public? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're trying to get a lot of people into a particular Slack channel, if you make it public, it's going to be easier for them to join. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Slack account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Slack account, and this is the home screen. Now, here on the home screen, if you want to change one of your Slack channels from private into public, first, what you're going to do is here on the left, you're going to see this drop down menu of channels. Just make sure it's opened up, and it's going to show you all the channels you have in Slack. Next, you want to go ahead and choose the private channel. So you can see I have this one called random and this other one called Chinese food. These ones have a lock icon next to it. So those are private. So the only folks that can actually read what's going on in that conversation are the people that I invite. So if you want to change that into a public channel, what you're going to do is go ahead and choose the channel. So we'll choose this one here called random. Once you do that, you're going to see the conversation inside that Slack channel. And to change it from a private channel into public, up here at the top, you're going to see the name of the channel. Click on the little downward arrow next to it. All right. So once you do that, you're going to see a drop down menu, but you want to look right up here to the top. There's 4 options. Click on settings. All right. Once you do that, you're going to see another drop down menu. And to change it from private into public, there's this button here called change to a public channel. Go ahead and click on there. Okay. So once you do that, it's going to give you this warning. Are you sure you want to change this Slack channel from private into public? Go ahead and click on change to public. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Let me close this down. Okay, so here on the left, we're going to see the list of channels, and here's the one we were working on called random. You can see it now has a pound sign next to it, not a lock icon. So this is now public. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to change a private Slack channel into a public channel, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.